Fixed type arrays in Python. So here it is. Now we will discuss this. So Python offers several different options for storing data in efficient fixed type data buffers. The built-in array model available since Python 3.3 version can be used to create dense arrays of a uniform type. Now we will start import array L is equals to list is equals to array dot array, which will be I L A. So now let's run it. So it gives the answer array I, comma, and it goes on till 9. So here I is a type code indicating the contents of integer. Here I. Okay, much more useful, however, in the NdArray object of the Numpy package. While Python's array object provides efficient storage of array-based data, Numpy adds to this efficient operations on that data. We will explore these operations in later lecture sections. Here we will demonstrate several ways of creating a Numpy array. So we'll start with a standard Numpy import under the alias np. Import Numpy as np. We'll run this. Sorry, we got the error because import Numpy as np. We skipped the p in it. Okay. So moving on to creating arrays from Python lists. First, we can use np.array to create arrays from Python lists. Here it goes. Integer np.array 14253 14253 gives the answer array 14253. Remember that unlike Python lists, Numpy is constrained to array that all contain the same type. If types do not match, Numpy will upcast if possible. Here integers are upcast to floating point. So now moving on to the next code, which is np.array 3.14 4, 2, and 3. 4, 2, 3. Gives the answer 3.144, comma 4 dot, comma 2 point, and it goes on. So if we want to explicitly set the data type of the resulting array, we can use the dtype keyword. For example, here np.array 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it ends. We will remove the bracket. Since we have to continue typing, dtype is equals to float, which will be 32. And now we'll put the bracket here and we will run this, which gives the array 1, 2, 3, 4, and the dtype is equals to float 32. So finally, unlike Python lists, Numpy arrays can explicitly be multidimensional. Here's one way for initializing a multidimensional array using a list of lists. Okay. So we will write nested lists result in multi-dimensional arrays, which np.array square bracket range I I plus 3. We'll remove bracket for I in square brackets 2, 4. Now we will close the bracket, square bracket again. This gives the answer, this one. So the inner lists are treated as rows of the resulting two-dimensional array.